Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy, and today we'll be showing you the tutorial on how to add smoke effects on PicsArt. First, go to Pick Canvas under Drawings and select the white background. Add in your preferred image and adjust its size. Now select Eraser and erase the background. The trick here is to outline your foreground with a high opacity eraser and then fill in the background with a low opacity eraser. When done, use the eraser and create a faded effect. Follow the instructions on your screen for reference. Then go to Draw and add in the pre-downloaded image of smoke, like you see on your screen. Now adjust it accordingly. Add in more images as you think suitable for your image. After completion, in the Layer section, select XOR. Click on the triple dot menu and select Merge. Then add in a new empty layer. Go to Brushes and select the Airbrush tool. Now tap and hold to pick the color from your image. With this, pick the color right next to the smoke and color it, to make it look like an extension of your image. So click on Done and add in some effects. Your image is now ready. So that's it for the smoke effect tutorial on PicsArt. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video, and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.